Hello, welcome back. It's that time of year again. It is time for sweater weather hairstyles. So these hairstyles are very quick, they're voluminous, they're a great way to just switch up your hair for every day, and I thought they'd be really pretty for the holidays coming up. Alright, so before we get started, I would love if you left a comment and let me know which of these hairstyles you're going to try or which one's your favorite. Alright, so every time I do these videos, I get the same question, and that is, how do you get long-lasting volume? So I'm going to share that with you today. And I think you'd be pretty surprised by how fine and flat my hair typically is. Like, the right prep and products can make such a difference. Alright, so today's video is sponsored by Christoph Robin and Grow Gorgeous. They're both cruelty-free brands, and I partnered with Grow Gorgeous last year for my sweater weather video. I'll link it down below. And I got such great feedback from all of you, so I thought this would be the perfect fit. So these companies make my absolute favorite volumizing products. They're the ones I always reach for when I want to create these like full voluminous hairstyles. So I'm going to walk you through my hair prep, how I got this hair, and I'm really excited to show you. So let's get started. All right, so I just washed and masked my hair. Let's take this towel off. And fluffing out your hair like this really helps it dry faster. All right, so now that it's wintertime, I use a hair mask every single time that I wash my hair. And this Grow Gorgeous Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask is incredible. I remember the first time I used this, it left my hair feeling so soft. And I really love this packaging. I just think it's really pretty and it just smells so good. It has this really like rich, warm scent. It's perfect for fall. But unlike most hair masks, you start by massaging this one into your scalp and it feels so good. It's this like rich, buttery texture, and this will help create that thickness and volume. And then any leftover product, you just smooth through the rest of your hair to help hydrate it. But I leave this on for 10 minutes, and I love when you're rinsing out conditioners and you can just feel how like smooth and soft your hair already is, and this hair mask does that. All right, so before I go in with any other products, what I like to do is just gently towel dry my hair. So mine's pretty towel dried because I went ahead and did my makeup, but if yours is really wet, just gently squeeze it with a towel, and that way it'll absorb all of your hair products. All right, so the next product is the Christoph Robin Regenerating Serum with Prickly Pear Oil. This product is a magic, especially if you have like dry, damaged, color treated hair like me. But they recommend using like 1 to 2 pumps. I'm probably gonna use like 3.5. I can't help it. My hair just loves this stuff. It smells so like fresh and clean. I love it. But I just like to really lightly kind of like press it into my hair, focusing it mostly on the mid shafts and my ends. I like to apply it anywhere that I get some frizz along this hairline, and I get some breakage on the underside. And your ends. Do not forget your ends. Squeeze it in really gently, but just push it in. But I feel like this product is like a serum for your hair. Like, it just helps to strengthen it. It works as a heat protector, and it leaves your hair feeling so soft and smooth, but without any silicones, which is fantastic. All right, so hair is hydrated, protected. It's time to add the volumizing product. And this is the Instant Volume Mist with rose water. All right, give this a shake. Give it a little shake. And my favorite way to apply this is to just lift the root in sections and just spray it right underneath. And then you can just kind of work it in with your fingertips. I feel like my hair is like already growing. It's already getting nice and fluffy and voluminous. Just keep working that in. But this really is one of my favorite volumizing products. It just creates like the softest, most natural looking volume. Super lightweight, doesn't leave behind any residue or any crunch. All right, I'm going to quickly, roughly blow dry my hair. No need to round brush or anything fancy like that. Look at all of this volume. Like, my hair is out of the frame. But typically my hair dries so flat. I wish I had pictures so I could show you. I just love like the amount of boost that these products added. All right, lastly, I'm going to take a couple drops of this Grow Gorgeous Hair Density Serum, and I just apply a generous amount like all throughout my roots. I'm going to take some more. And I've talked about this product before, but this is the product that first drew me into the brand because I was having a hard time maintaining these like baby hairs along my hairline. And look, they've grown in, but now they're at like this awkward in-between length and they're just always sticking out. But I love them. And you might think this product leaves behind like a greasy residue or something, but it doesn't. It just helps your hair appear fuller. All right, so hair is prepped, looking super voluminous. Now, if you want to shop any of these Grow Gorgeous or Christoph Robin products, you can use the link in my description box for an exclusive discount code to shop these products for less. All right, I'm going to curl my hair with a 1 1/4 inch barrel, change into my sweater. Definitely put a sweater on before you start these hairstyles so you don't mess them up, and let's get started. First up is a simple twisted half up hairstyle. So begin by gathering all of the hair above your temples, and I find leaving some hair down to cover the ears just creates a softer appearance. And don't forget to pull out those face framing pieces. Next, secure this top section, and on the last loop, just cross your elastic right at the top of your ponytail and then only pull your pony partially through to create a bun. And you can pull on the sides of your bun to make it as large as you like. All right, let's add some volume. So just pinch and pull on small pieces around the crown. I really love the detail that this step adds. Okay, take your ends, divide them into 2 pieces, a top and a bottom, and we're going to do a rope braid, or you just twist these around one another. All right, so twist your top section counterclockwise once, and then bring it down behind your lower section while you cross the lower section up. And then repeat. So twist your top section counterclockwise once, and then bring it down, crossing it behind your lower section. And then just keep repeating these steps. I created about 4 or 5 twists. Then, of course, pancake your twists by pulling on the outside of them, and truly, the less perfect, the better. Awesome. Now wrap your twists counterclockwise over the top of your bun, bringing your ends underneath and securing them into place, creating an X with 2 bobby pins. All right, how beautiful is this hairstyle? I love how it turned out, and you could use the same technique with all of your hair to create a bun. Moving along to a simple knotted updo. So begin by loosely gathering all of the hair above your ears, leaving out those face framing pieces, and then secure into a ponytail at the back of your head, just above ear height. And I use that clip trick to help prevent tangling. And if you love that effortless look, just pinch and pull small pieces of hair around your crown, and I really love that swoop shape over the ear that this step creates. Awesome, clip the top ponytail away and secure all of your remaining hair into another ponytail about 1 inch or 2 below that top one. And of course, I pinch and pulled to add some volume. Okay, take your top ponytail and let's knot it. So hold onto the base of your ponytail with one hand, and then with your other one, you want to bring your hair up the right side and over the top of your ponytail. And you can see the bun shape that this created. All right, stick your index finger and thumb through the center of your bun, out the left side, and you just want to grab onto your hair. Hold it firmly and then pull it tightly through that hole. Might be a little snug, but keep on tugging. All right, once it's through, don't let go of your ends, and you have yourself a knot. All right, join your remaining ends into the ponytail below, and if they're too short to do so, just pin them underneath the bun. Awesome, then create another knot by repeating the exact same steps as before. So pull your knot nice and tight, and look at that. I think this looks so cool. So next, take your ends, wrap them clockwise underneath your bun, and you can just place a bobby pin to anchor them into place. And if they're still showing, just keep wrapping them around that lower bun and secure your ends into place with some bobby pins. All right, this hairstyle is very secure without any pins, but I added a few just in case. All right, this hairstyle is so unique and beautiful. I love that it looks so intricate, yet it's surprisingly simple. Last up is a beautiful braided ponytail. So begin by securing your hair into a ponytail, and I secured mine with a hair bungee. This just creates a very tight hold, and it helps maintain all that volume on the top. Next, wrap a small section of hair around your hair elastic to help it blend in, and then just secure the ends to the underside with a bobby pin. All right, get your arms ready, and don't let this braid intimidate you. It's a lot easier than it looks. So grab a 1-inch section of hair from the right side of your ponytail, and you want to try to grab a longer piece if possible. And then hold it in between your index and middle finger so that your index and thumb are underneath the section. We're going to use these as pinchers. All right, with your left hand, pull the tail of that section underneath your ponytail, and this will create a loop around your index finger and thumb. And then direct the tail over your ponytail and pinch it with your right hand, pulling it all the way through the loop, nice and tight. All right, and that's it. Like if you can do that, you got this. So I'll show you again, holding it nice and tight in between your index and middle finger so that your index and thumb are underneath this section. And then with your left hand, pull the tail of that section underneath your ponytail. This will create that loop. And then bring the tail over your ponytail and pinch it with your right hand, pulling it all the way through that loop, nice and tight. And now you can see the braid is forming. All right, if your hair is shorter and your section is getting smaller, what you can do is after you've pulled your hair through the loop, just keep pinching that piece, and then you just want to grab a small section of hair from the outside of your ponytail and join it in. So same as before. And then just keep repeating the same steps as far down your ponytail as you like. I thought it'd be fun to make it a little more dramatic, so I went quite far down my ponytail. Plus, it's kind of fun like once you get the hang of it, but you could also stop after like 2 or 3 times. It's still really pretty. All right, once you reach the bottom, just take a small hair elastic, secure all of your hair together, and pull your ponytail nice and tight, and the elastic will slide underneath. Then I fluffed out, teased my ponytail a bit, and there it is. I love this hairstyle. Like I could just picture this with a chic party dress. I just think it would look so beautiful. So there we have it. What did you think? You definitely have to let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite. But as always, I'll post pictures of the final looks over on my Instagram. I'll link it down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well, staying safe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.